What is up, guys? Welcome back. And today, oh my, I don't know, semi trucks crash. I thought it was just cars. Psych. We're looking at semi trucks crashes. Oh, dude, imagine you're driving and the view of this approaching you. What are you gonna think? I would actually be terrified for the simple fact that this camera is clearly hanging off another semi truck, and so you're basically seeing death. But if you're this vehicle or truck, you can kind of get out the way. I mean, I would do it if I was driving. But I see what happens here, man. Oh. Bang! Oh. Bang. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
He survived. He survived. I see smoke. The other driver said he felt a vibration, then lost control. There were no mechanical failures. Oh my god, another one. Are these like, are semi-trucks like airplanes that sometimes have, that is either driver error or mechanical failure? Like for plane crashes, there's also such terminology like pilot error, engineering error, mechanical error, such thing like that. Knowledge. I'm teaching you something. I'm teaching you. Oh, the same site, but there's more cars on the highway now. You can't really see. Damn. This semi is kind of smart. He kind of slid himself out the way. Appreciate you for following, by the way. I don't know why my camera is not. 18-wheeler on their phone. Wait, what? Oh my word. Look at that. That's the collision. 18-wheeler on their phone. Wait, what is? It appears that the person on the red car was okay. I called state police. Still waiting to hear back. They're probably not gonna reach back. Damn! Dude, I feel bad. I feel bad, bro, because, you know, it's kind of scary. Like, just imagine, like, sometimes people just so focused, you know, that could happen randomly.
I'll buy out one. Damn, you got out of the way just in time, didn't you?
Yeah. That one right there. Watch. Oh, no.
Pulled to the left just before.
There's the truck. There's me.
Truck and then the trailer.
Oh my.
So yeah, I lucked out.
Lucked out. Damn. What the hell is this truck doing? Stupid idiot. This guy is such a stupid idiot. What's gonna happen here? This guy's gonna just keep going? Are you serious? Dude, that guy right there is a stupid idiot. Look, he's just looking at the semi too. I think he's just waiting. If you know what I mean. No volume on this one. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Come on. Surprised the car didn't go over the rail. Texas.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yo. You guys can't see it on the corner of my screen, but this car, no way, it literally slid off the road. No, dude. This is why I hate car crashes or incidents like this, because especially when like if there's gotta be a crash, just two people, right? But the fact that other cars get crashed too, that's when you know everything's bad. Like it was already worse. Now it's just 100 times worse. Look at that. Milwaukee. Bucks. What is this guy doing? Oh my. Yo, Semi didn't even care. Dude. That's tough.
Anger, if you pull
That's
that
tough.
away, you see hurt, fear, and frustration behind that. And I think both emotions. What I would ask you to do is make a copy of this show, record it, and watch it 10 times. Not 6.
They listening to Dr. Phil, man. This is like by far the weakest crash so far.
Not 7.
What's up, Will? Oh my god. Dude. Switch lanes, man. Of the white tractor? Yo! Wow.
You know what? The pandemic happens, and my unemployment benefits are
Slow down, buddy.
Guess I'll take some summer classes too. Those extended benefits were at 3 times the base employment rate. Gee whiz, I guess I can take a full set of fall classes too. And then
What the hell is this car doing? This stupid truck. Look at it. Stupid. Then it got hit in the back. Pause. Stupid truck. This truck caused that much damage. God damn.
We're crashing, we're crashing. Brake kick, brake kick, brake kick.
Bruh.
Yes, Eddie. Tim smiled self-consciously,
Dude.
and he could feel his heart beating hard in his chest. What does the number 19 mean to you? Take
Wow. What the fuck? Semi on semi. Oh shoot, I didn't even see that. Dude. That's tough. That's tough.
But it's calling for you guys. You didn't look in the mirror or what? You didn't check your mirrors or what?
No, the taxi pulled in front of me and I was trying to get away from
I have a camera, everything is on camera.
What an idiot.
Current loop video is now locked.
Because he keeps going.
What the? Oh nah, I would not want to live near here. Damn, that's a POV right there. What is this person doing, bro?
Here, I'm honking to let them know I'm already pissed. Don't fall backwards on me.
Yeah, he's trying, this trucker is trying to keep his distance, cause this trucker in front of him is being a little strange. Oh nah, what is he doing?
Mother.
Meanwhile, my damn truck is smoking with the freaking coolant all over the place.
You've been backing up the whole fucking hill. The whole fucking hill. No, that's ridiculous. I've been honking the horn at you for 5 fucking minutes. Go to your truck. Truck.
Damn.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
Oh nah, that looked like it was intentional. Wow. Damn. Another POV. Oh my word.
Multiple vehicle accident, I-95 southbound, exit 48. One car flipped over.
Dude, what the hell? Oh. So, this is a car. Camera.
What are you doing? Jesus Christ, man.
He took comfort in this ability. In some ways, now it was a part of his identity. If an active shooter situation erupted right here, right now, 99% of the civilians...
I still love you.
Is this guy listening to memes?
Why y'all gonna pick me? Why pick anybody else but me? Huh?
I like the second part of that. I don't think we ever play that.
They're like, man, like I say, we save up a good 6 months, we should have 25,000 in the bank, and that money, and that.
Yo, yo, it's dancing, bruh. Trying to run him over many times too. Dude, where's the footage of that? Alabama.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit. No. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. No way.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
That is crazy. That's not good, bro. That is crazy. Damn.
Holy shit. I hope he got out.
I hope so too.
Copyright me. Yo, that car is trying so hard not to get hit. Damn, that car got lucky. Damn, it's still going back. Damn. Ah, the truck.
Alright.
Oh wow.
Just hit. Fucking idiot, man. Yeah.
Dude. These truckers being a speed. These truckers be trying to get to the destination so fast. Look at that. Look at that. Another incident. These truckers just want to get to the destination. Down bad. Okay. Oh, what? Is this a filter? The sky looks like it has a filter. That's dumb. Damn. That's tough. What the hell? Huh. Oh. Where is that?
Look at the map.
It didn't say it, huh? Hmm. Hmm.
You're an idiot, dude. You're a fucking idiot.
Damn.